thank you everyone for tuning in today. We're running a little bit behind schedule this afternoon, so I am gonna quickly go through my presentation, which is on the overview of the ACPMP Research Foundation, as well as an overview about the Patient Advisory Council, which is a new initiative that started in 2021. My name, again, as I said, is Lauren Smith. I'm your MC for the event today, and I am the next presenter. I'm going to share my presentation here. 1 second. Sorry. Thank you so much. So I began this role as one of ACPMP's first staff members after my diagnosis at the age of 21 with an appendix tumor. And I am, like I said, the development and communications manager. And I wanted to turn my diagnosis into an opportunity to be an advocate for this rare disease. So you may have been hearing ACPMP Research Foundation throughout this presentation this morning, and we wanted to give you a background about who we are as an organization. So we are a 501c3 nonprofit that was created in 2008 by a community of individuals affected by appendix cancer and PMP. And our mission is twofold. We are dedicated to funding and supporting research to find a cure for PMP and appendix cancer, as well as funding and supporting educational and awareness programs, scholarships, and resources to better educate physicians, the greater medical community, and patients about these diseases. Most of you may have seen these slides before, so I'm gonna go through them pretty quickly. This is our board of directors. These are our staff members. And this is our medical advisory board. So ACPMP's research approach is essentially seeking out objectively worthwhile research, and we use a rigorous RFP submission process. We focus on basic science and foundational medical research that can be used to better support more robust studies, including genetic profiling and immunotherapy. Since 2009, ACPMP has awarded $1.3 million in the form of 27 research grants worldwide. We host different patient and physician educational symposiums, including the one today that you guys are participating on. On the right-hand side is a list of some of the different symposiums that we have helped host. We sponsor physician scholarships for physicians and medical professionals to attend different educational conferences. Again, on the right-hand side is a list of different events that we have helped provide scholarships for. And here are some of our patient empowerment initiatives that we support and we provide to our patient and caregiver community. A new patient guide, which is essential for those newly diagnosed or anywhere in their journey, just with a step-by-step kind of guide of where they should find specialists or where they can find online support forums. As Dr. Lambert mentioned, we have a clinical trials page. So it explains and identifies clinical trials that are currently actively recruiting appendix cancer and PMP patients. We have a patient registry that's in the works and going to be coming very, very soon. And basically it's a collaborative effort with the National Organization for Rare Disorders to better study and educate about appendix cancer and PMP. And as mentioned, we have a Find a Specialist map tool on our website, which is a complete map of the US that lists any specialists that treat appendix cancer and PMP by state. So you can take a look at that. And if you have any questions about specialists outside of the US, you can contact us. We also provide different helpful resources. Here's just listing a few links to online support forums, such as Facebook groups. We have financial and legal links that are listed on our website. We have health insurance information, nutrition resources, and different printable informationals that are all online. So getting into our Patient Advisory Council, as I mentioned, this is an initiative that we started this year in 2021, and it's a patient volunteer group that basically works alongside our nonprofit to better broaden our community of volunteers and contribute to our work in many different ways. It allows for patients, caregivers, and advocates to become more involved with bringing ideas, enthusiasm to help make a difference for our community. Some goals of the Patient Advisory Council include providing perspectives from the patient and caregiver experience, and that can range from newly diagnosed into long-term survivorship. They provide feedback on our programs, services, and our brand identity. Our Patient Advisory Council members participate in quarterly meetings where they receive information and materials related to research and education, which they then disseminate to the community to better provide information, awareness, and different events that ACPMP is hosting. The Patient Advisory Council also hosts different online meetings to connect and provide support with others in their local area, which I will launch into here. Let's see. Sorry. Oh, a little too forward. So those are called the Appendix Cancer Allies. As I said, they're online right now, given the status of COVID, but eventually we'd like to have them safely in person. And it's just an opportunity for fellow appendix cancer and PMP patients and caregivers to connect with each other locally. As we all know, with this rare cancer, often we feel isolated and alone. So it's a great opportunity for patients, caregivers, advocates to connect, provide support, share information, swap questions, and that sort of thing. So we've had great success with them so far, being over Zoom. We've hosted them in Minnesota, Missouri, Wisconsin, and the greater Southeast region so far. But we're hoping to host more in the future. So if you want to learn more about those, you can go to our past events page. If you're interested in learning more about our Patient Advisory Council, or you want to join, the application is available in November. We'll be posting about it, but you can also go to the link that's shared below. And if you are volunteering and you are interested, essentially you'll be giving back, you'll be joining a community, making a difference, and staying informed on a cause that you care about. So let's be social. As I said, we're the Appendix Cancer Research Foundation, and we are all over social media. You can sign up for our mailing list to receive emails directly to your inbox. And we are the 501c3 nonprofit today that's co-hosting with the 3 institutions. And we're so excited to have you all join us. So thank you again.